RB215. The RB215 model. Samsung twin cooling systems. It's not cooling right now. It's got the freezer on the bottom. It's only a 2009 model. I think we can fix this thing, or we're going to try to. I don't think it's a major problem, so I don't think we should scrap it. No reason to scrap this baby this quick, so we're going to do some investigation to see if we can figure out why it's not cooling. We're going to hope it's something minor. I hope it's something minor. These things are clipped on the side here. Yep, one more screw in there. Twin cooling. What is behind here? Got some wires there. We got some wires to unplug if we want to pull this whole thing out. What do we got here? This is the defrost heater. And here's your evaporative cooling coils. And there's the fan. Let's see if the fan will turn. The fan turns freely. Is there anything? Let's see for loose wires. Let's see if we got any loose wires. Nothing there. Let's plug it in and see what happens. Before we plug it in, we're going to take out 4 screws in the back. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We'll take the screws out. When I plug it in, actually there's another one here, isn't there? It's 5 screws. Okay, so we got those. Get the back plate off. Back cover plate. Let's see if anything, to see if the we can see anything major wrong here. Fan's turning. That's the condenser coils. Let's plug it in. See if we can hear anything. First, feel it. Here we go. Condenser fan. It's kicked in. The condenser coils don't look all that dirty. What is that right there? Is that some sort of leak? Is that a leak right there? I don't feel the compressor's not on. I don't think. I can't really feel it. No, so the only thing we got on is the condenser fan. I do not feel the compressor. Hold on, I guess I'm just looking for leaks here. Is there any leaks? think I see signs of something here. Signs of something that was leaking. What's all this green stuff? Green, you know, is copper corrosion. Copper corrosion. So is this sucker leaking Freon somewhere? It's possible. Let's go in here and see if we can't. Nothing. Nothing going on here with the cooling coils. Definitely not getting cold. And so that's where we are right now. Okay, so we disconnected these. The top, this went to the top, the blue went to the top, that went to the other top and bottom. We took this thing out. This is a cover. This just fits in here like this. It pops out pretty easy. This controller goes to the defrost heater. As we can see here, it looks like it's done a little bit of damage here. Some water stains from the defrosting. I'm not really sure if we're going to be able to fix this thing, to be honest with you. What I'd like to do is disconnect the defrost heater and see if we can't have the, and if that can't help us, at least temporarily get the compressor to come on. So that would be one tool, I guess. We disconnect the heater and hope that the compressor comes on. So we disconnected this. To disconnect this, you have to push these in right here on the side. See, right on the side. So you push each and every one in, and that unlocks it from these hooks, and you can pull it out. So we've disconnected the defrost heater. It's the brown wire, which goes to here. So let's test it. We're going to plug it in. Let's see if the compressor comes back on. Or actually, the compressor never came on. So here we go. Plug it in. Kind of tough one-handed, isn't it? There we go. I don't really feel the compressor doing anything unless it's really, really quiet. I wonder. I guess it could be a real quiet compressor. But I don't feel anything. We'll let it run for a little bit. Give it a chance to kick in. If the compressor does kick in, one of the signs will be our cooling coils should get a little cool. Another thing that could be wrong with this refrigerator is our control thing here, panel. You can't really call it a panel, but let's turn. power cool won't even come on. It used to be I could get the power cool to come on. It makes me wonder if this thing, I don't even know if you can replace this, or how you would replace it. It's got some screws under there. It's got one screw under here, one screw there. Okay, so you can take this thing off. I'm wondering if this is the problem. So we're going to go ahead and take these screws out here. You got 1, 2, 3 for your control panel. See, I wonder if these things go bad, the control panel. There we go. Oh, I missed one, huh? I missed one. So that's your control panel. Plugs in. And makes you wonder that if you replace this damn thing, would it work? See behind here, look behind here. You got the little buttons in there. The way these things work, they're flat here, but behind there, you can see those little buttons. And I guarantee you this thing's not cheap. So buying one would be a gamble.